those YouTubers that are just going to tell you what you need to do and not actually show you how to do it. I'm going to explain exactly how you do all of these steps that I'm about to tell you. Make sure you stay till the end because you do not want to miss any of these vital steps. I promise no waffling, just fun and facts. So first of all, what you're going to have to do is find your business idea. What business is it that you're wanting to start? Because if you want passive income, you're going to need some sort of business. Your business is going to have to be some sort of want or need in the market, something that people are looking for, something that people are actually searching for. So you're going to want to get online. You're going to want to have a look on Facebook, Amazon, Google, everywhere that your potential buyer, customer or client is going to be. So for me, I will go on to Facebook groups. I will find out who is all hanging out in those Facebook groups. Is it people in my industry? So if it's for my actual business, I have a hair and beauty salon, I will look at people that may be in those groups. People that are interested in beauty, or mums, or females, or people that I'm trying to attract that are in local groups. I'd probably look at people in my area, people that are local. I'm not going to want people to come to my salon that live all over the country because it's just not going to happen. So local groups for that is going to be the best. So the next thing you want to do is go into Google Trends. If you go onto Google Trends and have a look what everyone is searching for, what is big right now, what kind of businesses can you start that everyone is looking for or is going to be really popular, and if it aligns with your passions, then that's a great business for you to start. Another great place for you to find potential customers or clients for your business is to go on Amazon. This is a really good one because if you go onto Amazon and you go onto the book section of exactly the niche or business that you're in, you would type up all the business books. You would then go on and search for all the reviews that people are writing, and you can see exactly what questions people are asking, what good things people are saying and what bad things people are saying. So then you will know if that business is a good one to go into, and if you have loads of questions and things that people genuinely want and need in their life. You can also just go on Google search. Just literally type into Google cleaning business. If you want to start a cleaning business and that's what you're into, then just have a look at all the other businesses that are there on Google. Look at places that are close by to you, look at places that are in your area that may benefit you, and see what they're doing right, see why they're at the top of the search results, and see what they're doing that's good and what they're not doing, because there could be potential for you to fill that gap in the market. Just check out all your competition, check out as much research as you can so you can really get clear on your business idea and know if it's actually going to work or not. The next thing I want you to do is have a clear vision of where you're going to go. If you do not have a plan or a vision in your business, you're not going to move forward. You're just going to be winging it along the way. It's going to take you 10 times longer than it should, and you just don't want to be doing that. Just have a vision. I'm going to show you my vision board for the future because this gives me a strong why. It helps me go forward within my businesses, and it makes me get up every day and have that motivation because I know exactly why I'm doing it. If you don't have a reason to start a business apart from earning money, you're not going to make it. You're going to fail really quickly and it's not going to be fun for you. So make sure that you have a strong reason behind it and make sure it's something that you really enjoy. I'm just going to briefly show you my vision board and then I'm going to show you the next steps on how we can actually implement them. So here is my vision board, and this is what I was talking about, my why. My why is to create freedom, spend more time as a family, go on holidays, be financially comfortable so we can eat high quality food because that's really important to me and that will benefit our life and health. Obviously I want to enjoy the work I do and be rewarded by helping others do the same. So that is my strong why. That is why I get up every single day in my businesses. Health is really important to me because I have a lot of intolerances within my gut, and I absolutely love going on holidays, so there had to be some beautiful holiday pictures in here. And then I have a few reminders, like I am thankful for every day I wake up. Passion and consistency equals success, because those are two of the main things that you need to build success. The successful course, because I am creating an online course at the moment to help other business owners, and this is just a reminder of beautiful places that I've been and beautiful places that I would like to go to. I love this quote by Nelson Mandela: "It always seems impossible until it's done." And this is just a few other little goals that I have. I've got my family, which I want to spend more time with. I have a goal for my YouTube. I have the house that we want to buy, my website, and just daily priorities that I really need to pay attention to. So this is why it's really important to have a vision. It doesn't have to be on a board. You can put it in a book, you can put it online, wherever you feel comfortable having it, but you need to have a plan. You definitely need to start with your business plan and have your guidelines, your brand guidelines, your message, everything about your business, your goals, your financial goals. I have actually created a really fun, easy and quick business plan that you can fill out. It will not take you long, and it's just fun because sometimes business plans can be really boring, really tedious, and you just put it off. This business plan that I've created, I've made it nice colours, really aesthetically pleasing, with all the essential information that you will need to get started, and you'll probably have so much fun doing it. So click the link below and you can get that sent to your email after you watch this video. So the next thing I want you to do is to start selling before you're ready. Yes, start selling your product, sell your service before you've even got one. This is the best way to get started in your business, to push yourself and give yourself a date. If you can start selling your product or service straight away, it's going to give you income as quick as possible, so you can then put that back into your business to then earn more and more and more. If you just put it off and you just diddle daddle about and you're not actually going to put your service or product out there for people, then you're not going to move forward and you're not actually going to get anywhere within your business. But I would definitely say start selling as soon as you can, even if it's for a low price or for free if you're getting feedback in return, because that way you'll get testimonials, you'll get feedback and reviews, and you'll be able to sell your product or service a lot quicker and with a lot more social proof behind it. So you're probably wondering, how do I do this? How do I sell my product when I don't even know what to do, who to speak with, where to go? So I would say start off with your friends and family. Start asking them to test it out for you, people that you might think are interested. You can always go on to your Facebook groups again, go into the specific groups and speak to them and ask them, would you mind trying out my product, or I have this brand new service that I'm offering and it's going to be amazing. I really need people to try it, and in return for your feedback. And most people would probably jump at the chance. So there's so many options. You can put polls on your DMs, privately message people on Facebook or whatever. Just communicate with people, just start speaking and making real authentic conversations, and it will be the easiest way to grow and build your brand. Okay, so you really want to get into the nitty-gritty of passive income. How are you actually going to make this income passive once you have your business? I did this with my hair and beauty salon. So I started off, I grew the business, and then I was able to outsource. So outsource it to other staff that could rent space off me or that I could hire, so I didn't have to be there all the time. This is what you're going to have to do in your business. It will take time for you to build up at first by yourself. That is just the nature of any business. You have to put in the time at the start. No business is going to come for free or going to come super easy. You have to put the time, the effort, the learning, the skills, everything in. That's why it has to be something that you're truly passionate about, you truly love, and you're going to want to spend most of your life doing. Even if it does become passive, there's probably going to be something that you pick out of that business that you're going to keep doing in the business. For me, for example, I like doing the marketing, so that is where my speciality is, and that is what I am focusing on. Within you and your business, once you get up and running, let's just say it's a cleaning business that you've started and you're out there cleaning the houses yourself, you're starting to build up a client base. So after you've built that client base up, you can then hire staff, and then those staff will then work for you. They will earn the money and bring it back to you, so you can focus on getting more clients. Same with any trade jobs, if you're an electrician or a painter, anything like that. And even in other types, if it's online business, or if you've got a product business, you can outsource tasks like your virtual assistant, your marketing, and any jobs that you just hate doing, you don't have to do, because once you build your business up, you will then get them to do it, and that will cause you passive income. But a good way to get the right people to work for you is use platforms like Fiverr, where you get loads of freelancers on there for a really low price. You can get virtual assistants, you can get copywriters, social media managers, loads of things like that. If you're looking to hire, you can use somewhere like Indeed, which gives you a lot of free credit where you can start hiring people and doing job adverts. Or you could do apprenticeship programs, which you have to pay a really low wage to get started. There's so many good government funded apprenticeships that you can do, so look into your local councils and local governments, because that's a really good way to hire people and get them built up to your standard without having to pay a massive price to start with. So the next thing is to have different income streams. You don't want to just have one income stream. If you think of all the top entrepreneurs, I think they have as much as 7 income streams. You're just not going to make loads and loads of money if you've just got one stream of income coming in. You need to have different types of passive income. You can't just choose one thing and think that's going to make you millions and millions of pounds. Just be smart about it. Think about the things that you want to do so you can have your original business idea, and then work around ways how you can implement that into different businesses. For example, I have got my hair and beauty salon, and I've also got my YouTube channel, which is kind of related because it's still a business. I'm helping teaching people business while I've got my actual physical business. So I am using my YouTube channel to then cross promote my other courses. So I'm starting an online business which will then help other business owners like you create their own business, because I'm creating a step-by-step course to show you exactly how you can create your business from scratch. And I've done it, I've had the experience, I know what to do, I know not what to do, so that will then give me another income stream, as well as my YouTube ad money and any affiliates that I get from that. That's another passive income stream, and I'm always thinking of new ways of bringing in new income streams. So choose your initial business and then work out how you can implement that in different ways, whether that's a course, a membership, one-to-one lessons with people, other ways. There's so many ways in which you can adapt that initial business idea. So just get started first of all, get your business up and running, and then start thinking about new ways to bring in income. I'm just going to be completely honest and real with you. You're not going to build money overnight. I think people come to these videos and expect a quick fix. You expect to watch one video and you're going to be a millionaire overnight. I'm sorry, but it just doesn't work that way, and creating a reputable, good business takes time. It is going to take time regardless. No matter how many videos you watch and no matter what anyone says, it's going to take time to build a business. Yes, you will get to that stage where you're just earning passive income, and all that hard work will be so worth it. And I am proof in the pudding that that can happen, because that is what happens in my business. But don't let that put you off, because you can either be right here where you are watching videos in a year's time, or you could be further on in your business goal. If you just keep watching things or keep learning but actually doing no action, you're not going to get any further towards your goal, and you're not going to get any further towards making actual money. So you need to take actionable steps every single day, even if it's a tiny little step or a little thing, but as long as it's going to bring you one step closer to your business, it's going to take you one step closer to creating that passive income. Because if you do absolutely nothing, you're not going to get there. I hope this video helped you. I tried to make sure there was no waffle in this video, because I know it's really difficult when you go in to watch videos and it's just full of nonsense. I want to make sure all these videos are straight to the point, so you get as much information as possible, so you can actually create your business and get further towards your goal. I have a whole series on business and actionable steps that you can take, so please subscribe to my channel and like this video, because I will be uploading every single Monday, and I promise they will be informative and fun. If you did like this video, comment below and let me know your business idea. I absolutely love hearing what everyone's up to, what businesses they are struggling with, or what businesses they're trying to create. It's so exciting, it's so fun, and it's such a great part of your life, creating your own business. I hope you have a lovely day, stay safe and stay happy. I will see you again next Monday. Bye!